Today we're looking at the Cooler Master Hyper N520 CPU cooler. Now this is the type of CPU cooler that you're going to want to get if you don't want to use your factory cooler. You want a huge performance increase as far as temperatures go, but you don't need to spend a ton of money getting into some really high-end CPU coolers. This is going to let you overclock a pretty large amount. It's going to let you get kind of frisky and play around with the numbers and not have to worry about the temperature, but it's also not going to set you back over $100. Very affordable, very easy to install, and a very simple design. So let's talk about that design. First thing you'll notice is that it is a aluminum fin design. So it's basically got a 100% full copper plate on the bottom. As you see, it is very smooth. Does not require any type of lapping. It has 5 heat pipes in total. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And then it has aluminum fins, which are very nice, very useful. And you have 2 92mm fans. Now, fans are very important in CPU coolers. They determine a lot of things: your airflow, how noisy it's going to be, and how good it will be at cooling. So with 5 heat pipes, a copper plate, aluminum fins, and these 92mm fans at 1800 RPM, you're actually moving 43.8 CFM of air through the fins, and that's going to actually give you 19 decibels of sound. So that's a good balance between airflow and loudness. Or how many decibels you have. So it's going to be fairly quiet. Your video card is probably going to be louder than this, or your case fans, but it does give you, almost 50 CFM of airflow, which is really good. Now, these fans are rated at 70,000 hours, which, if you do the math, I believe is like just over 2,900 days, just about 8 years. So really good. And that's basically it. There's not really too much more to this. It doesn't have any pulse width modulation. You're going to plug this in with the connector and you're good to go. The bag, you're going to find plates and brackets for every type of CPU you can think of. So your AMD chipsets or AMD chips, the AM2, AM2 Plus, AM3 are all going to work no problem. You also can do 775, 1155, 1156, and 1366. And you already have some thermal grease included in the bag. And from what I hear, this Cooler Master thermal grease is actually really good, so you don't have to worry about going out there and buying some Arctic Silver 5 or something else that's a little bit more expensive. This is going to cut it for 90% of the people that are going to buy a CPU cooler like this. So there you have it, the Cooler Master N520, part of the Hyper series. Very efficient, very affordable, huge, and I can't stress this enough, huge increased performances over your stock cooler. You're going to see like a 20 or 30 degree drop in temperatures just by switching to this. And if it's not enough that it's just going to be cooler and you can feel better about it, it's also going to give you the ability to overclock if you want to get a little bit more performance but not spend a ton of money. So that's basically it. If you have any questions on it, feel free to email me, and I'll see you guys next time. For more information on the Cooler Master Hyper N520 CPU cooler, type in C283-1202 into any major search engine.